I just learned that a quantum computer can solve a problem in 200 seconds that would take a supercomputer 10,000 years to crack. It's mind-blowing, right? We're talking about a machine that's not just faster, but exponentially more powerful than anything we've ever seen before. It's like having a sports car that can go from 0 to 60 in seconds, while the rest of us are still on bicycles. As I started reading about quantum computing, I realized just how little I knew about this future tech that's going to change everything. You're probably wondering, what exactly is a quantum computer? Well, it's not just a supercomputer on steroids, it's a completely different way of processing information. Think of it like a library where books are organized in a special way, so you can find what you're looking for instantly. But instead of books, we're talking about bits of information that can exist in many places at once. It's like having a magic library that's always one step ahead of you. And the really cool thing is that it's based on the principles of science, not just fancy engineering. But how does it work? That's the million-dollar question. Essentially, quantum computers use something called qubits, which are like the atoms of computing. And these qubits can exist in multiple states at the same time, which is called superposition. It's like being in two places at once. You're in your living room, but also in your kitchen, all at the same time. It sounds crazy, but it's what makes quantum computing so powerful. As I delved deeper into this topic, I started to realize just how much it could impact our daily lives. As we explore the world of quantum computing, we start to see the potential for solving problems that have been plaguing us for decades. From optimizing traffic flow to curing diseases, the possibilities are endless. And the best part is that it's not just about making things faster, it's about making them better. For instance, imagine being able to simulate the behavior of molecules, which could lead to breakthroughs in medicine and materials science. It's like having a superpower that lets you understand the building blocks of our universe. As we transition from the theoretical to the practical, we start to see the impact of quantum computing on our daily lives. For example, Google has already developed a quantum computer that can perform certain tasks way faster than any classical computer. And companies like IBM and Microsoft are working on making quantum computing more accessible to the general public. It's like we're on the cusp of a revolution, where the rules of computing are about to change forever. And the really exciting thing is that we're not just talking about future tech, we're talking about something that's already here. So, what does this mean for us? Well, for starters, it means that we'll have to rethink the way we approach problem solving. We'll need to learn new ways of thinking, new ways of programming, and new ways of understanding the world. And that's what's so exciting about quantum computing. It's not just about the tech itself, but about the possibilities it opens up. As someone who's passionate about science, I have to say that I'm thrilled to see where this journey takes us. It's like we're on the verge of discovering a new continent, full of mysteries and wonders waiting to be uncovered. As I reflect on what I've learned, I have to admit that I'm still a bit awestruck by the sheer potential of quantum computing. It's like we're staring into the abyss, not knowing exactly what's on the other side, but knowing that it's going to be huge. And the best part is that we're not just talking about supercomputers, we're talking about a fundamental shift in our understanding of the world. It's like we're being given a new pair of glasses, and suddenly everything looks different. But what if we're not ready for this shift? What if we're not prepared to handle the power that comes with quantum computing? As we look to the future, we start to see the outline of a world that's vastly different from the one we know today. We'll have cars that drive themselves, cities that are optimized for efficiency, and medicine that's tailored to our individual needs. And at the heart of it all will be quantum computing, the engine that drives this new world. But as we get closer to this future, we need to ask ourselves, are we ready for the consequences of playing with such powerful technology? It's a question that keeps me up at night, wondering what the future holds. As we weave together the threads of quantum computing, science, and future tech, we start to see a tapestry that's both beautiful and complex. It's like we're trying to solve a puzzle, where each piece fits together in a unique way. And the really cool thing is that we're not just solving a puzzle, we're creating a new reality. But what if this reality is not what we expected? What if it's more than we can handle? As someone who's passionate about exploring the unknown, I have to say that I'm excited to see where this journey takes us, even if it's into uncharted territory. And that's what I love about quantum computing, it's a journey, not a destination. It's a chance to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to discover new things about ourselves and the world around us. As I look back on what I've learned, I realize that I've only scratched the surface of this topic. But I hope that I've inspired you to join me on this journey, to explore the world of quantum computing, and to see where it takes us. So, what do you think? Are we ready to unlock the secrets of the quantum universe? If you're as excited as I am about the future of tech, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more explorations into the unknown.